Alright, this is Bendo311 here. Just looking at my blue-tongued lizard. When I caught it yesterday, he's friendly. Well, not yesterday, just Sunday from us. Today's Monday, December, I think it's the 9th, no, it's the 8th of 2012. Here's this one, a big one, and a smaller one. And I'll put them in this enclosure during the day. And put them in my heated up enclosure. Do another video of that. And at night, this one's fairly big. So 4 foot, or 2 foot high, like 1.5 foot tall by a foot wide. And yeah, I feed these little fellas a little bit of meat, sometimes dog food, and I'm looking to feed them some pinkies, but I haven't fed them yet. And a little bit of carrot and a little bit of corn. They love it. Sometimes I have to hand feed them though, because they don't really like going for it. And yeah, they love just being in this enclosure. This one I got off a friend, the big one. As you can see, she has gotten into a fight. You can tell by how her tail's like, it's not as long. It's like a stumpy tail. She looks fairly like a stumpy tail because of her lizard, because of her tail. She's really friendly. She licks your finger, you know. She doesn't, even though she's wild, tame, and really friendly. And she's a girl, like that one down there. She's Lizzie. The other one's Louie. She knows that she's not allowed to go off the edge because she knows a long way to fall. And then, as you can see, I'll get her to do a demonstration. See her mouth, what their mouth is like. See, she opens up her mouth for you. Really friendly in the back. Some people say they don't have teeth, but I reckon it looks like they do. Little small teeth. They bite really hard. You don't want to get a bite from these, they really hurt. I've gotten a bite from her once. She didn't let go. It really hurt. Yeah. Thanks. Comment what you feed your blue-tongued lizards. And comment, subscribe, and like that button. And rate. Thanks. Bye.